This machine fly is one of my best for my chest workout. You can perform this exercise from multiple ways. You can perform this exercise while standing, but here I'm just performing it by sitting on the bench because I'm lifting very heavy. I'm rather in this exercise I'm lifting 40 kg each side, so I have to have a proper control. I want my body should be completely fixed at one portion, so in that way what will happen, my upper chest muscle would be, I would be able to just use my upper chest muscle rather than controlling my lower back. So my entire back, lower back is completely fixed. You can feel the pump. Just look how good pump is getting. This pump is amazing. So in this way you can perform this exercise with the dumbbells while lying on the bench, but I prefer to use this machine because in machine I would be able to go heavy, which is not possible in the dumbbells. In dumbbells, if you do and if you miss, like if you have lose control over the dumbbells, what will happen, there is a high possibility that you will get injured. And I have seen a lot of people who get injured while doing this chest flies with dumbbells in the gym. So I want you to be safe, so that's why I recommend you, if you have this machine you have to use it. But if you don't, what you can do the same exercise with the dumbbells on the bench with light weight, not heavy. So that's it for this exercise. I hope you will start doing this exercise more.